Hey everybody, it's Neil and I'm in the car with a brand new Rivian. What do you do when you have a brand new Rivian but you have a Tesla charger? I'll show you here right now. So what we have here is a Tesla to J1772 adapter. So that's what we're able to do. So I'm going to show you guys this here. I'm going to open it up and show you how it works and what it does. So this is the adapter here. So you see it's got the J1772. Can you see that there? I don't know, there, that's it. And then it has the Tesla input here. So I'll show you how I do this here. I wonder if I can put the camera. Okay, so what do you need to do when you want to charge your Rivian and you just have the plug here? So here we go, we plug it in to here, we push the little button, plugs in, and then we have our Rivian charger. And we can just plug that right in to our Rivian. So there, we're now plugged in and we're able to charge. I don't know what it's doing, put the lights on. I don't know how the Rivian works, but that's how it works there. And then when you want to take it out, you just push the button and it comes right out. And then you can push this button and take off this. But how cool is that? So we have a J1772 to the Tesla charger. So now with the Tesla charger, I'm able to do that. Comes also with a little bag, so I can store it in this little bag. I mean, nice little velvet bag, which is kind of nice, so it won't scratch things up. We have the manual here, and then we have the quick card information, which says it's gonna work with all the Tesla chargers except for like those superchargers. It's not gonna work with the Tesla superchargers. So if you pull up to those, you might be out of luck until they add a Rivian onto it, but then this should start working at that point. But very cool. So I have a nice fast Tesla charger at home, and now I can charge my Rivian fast too. So super awesome. Thumbs up from me on this. This is the Tesla to J1772 adapter. There's the barcode if you need any information on it, but very cool. So thumbs up, links in the description, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some other reviews soon.